The Disney Premier Visa card is aimed squarely at Disney fans who want extra value and perks with every trip or Disney-related purchase. This card boosts rewards on some key spending categories, earning an impressive 5% in Disney Rewards dollars on select streaming services and 2% at gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants, and Disney locations across the US. All other purchases snag 1%, which is pretty standard. New cardholders enjoy a $300 statement credit after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months, making the welcome bonus tempting and easy to hit if a Disney vacation or big event is coming up. There's also a special 0% promotional APR for 6 months on select Disney vacation packages, which can ease the upfront cost of that next family adventure. Added to these earning possibilities are some unique Disney perks. Cardholders can get access to exclusive character experiences and discounts at select spots in Disney parks and resorts. For families or fans who visit Disney regularly, these can make the card feel like an instant upgrade every visit. But there are drawbacks that might hold some people back. There's a $49 annual fee, so those who aren't hardcore Disney visitors or spenders might not get enough value to justify this cost. A 3% foreign transaction fee makes the card less useful for international travel. The rewards, while great for Disney, are much less flexible elsewhere. Disney Rewards dollars are mostly spent on Disney purchases, although they can be redeemed as a statement credit towards airline purchases as a workaround. Regular spending outside Disney and the bonus categories only earns 1%, which falls short next to other no-fee or flexible rewards cards. The card's APR is high, so carrying a balance can get expensive, and unlike some cards, rewards expire after 5 years, so sitting on points isn't an option forever. This card shines for Disney loyalists who want to make every Disney dollar go further and enjoy exclusive perks on park visits and vacations. Those who don't frequent Disney, need more flexibility, or want to skip fees should weigh the trade-offs carefully, as the perks may not outweigh the annual cost and redemption restrictions for everyone.